Welcome to 3-Minute Mechanic, where we make the long and tedious fast and easiest. Today we'll be working with a 2014 BMW 328d, installing an engine air filter brought to you by Mahle. I'll include the link in the description. To start things off, we want to make sure and unlatch the air filter compartment from both sides. There'll be 4 in total. After doing so, you also want to make sure and unclip the wiring that is also attached to the plastic compartment. This runs alongside the entire air filter housing.
3, 4, 5.
Once you get to the other side, you'll notice a rubber mount. Use a plastic tool to lift up on the plastic. You'll do this on the center as well, and then again on the left-hand side. Once loosening all sides, you can now lift the air filter cover and reveal the filter. As you can see here, it is dirty and full of debris, so be careful when removing as to not drop any of that into the engine. It does get dirty and a vacuum is recommended. You may also choose to remove the entire air intake compartment and disconnect hoses in order to remove the entire box to do an extra deep cleaning. In this case, I chose just to use a vacuum with a long, narrow end. This is able to reach deep into the compartment and remove all loose debris. Here is a before and after shot of the air filter. Once everything's cleaned up, you're ready to put your new air filter in. Slowly and gently place your air filter under the lid and be sure to press firmly on the edges. After you have the filter properly seated, you'll want to firmly press on the left rubber mount, then on the right rubber mount, and then on the center. Ensure that all 3 of these are firmly into place. Now we want to make sure and go back to the 4 latches we began with and make sure they're all sealed and properly shut. Then we go back to the wiring and put all the metal clips back into place. Lastly, make sure everything fits like a glove and you're good to go. Your car can now breathe easy. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe.